Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss what is object-oriented programming. Before discussing, we must be familiar with basic concepts of the programming. Like if you are building a software, then you must know what are basic concepts, how to apply these concepts, and when to apply these concepts. This is very fundamental to learn object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a very common way of programming and developing software used by a number of developers nowadays. It basically allows us to think software in terms of real-life objects and their relationship to one another. It makes the software simpler and make the code reusable, which serves as blueprints to create its instances. There are many languages which offer object-oriented programming like JavaScript, C++, Java, and Python. Why we use object-oriented programming? The major benefits is it is near to real-life objects. For example, if you are making a library management system, then there are objects like books, shelves, and salary counting for employees. We write code for each of these objects separately and then combine all these codes in a single file to get its functionality. When we think in terms of real-life objects, then it will be very easy to define its functions. Modularity, as the code is divided into pieces, so it is very modular for the programmer to code for a project. Reusability, for example, if you have written a code to calculate salary of employees in for one project, then after some time you need the same procedure for another project, then you can reuse your already coded code for your other projects. Code maintenance. In object-oriented programming, due to modularity and simplicity, the code maintenance is very easy. Security. Due to its feature of encapsulation, object-oriented programming offer a wide range of security. We can allow the user of our will to access a specific data, and we can also restrict them to access a specific data. Flexibility, the code become flexible because it is divided into simpler pieces. So if we need to change something in a single object, then we can easily change do our changing in the code. Productivity. Due to all of the features of the object-oriented programming, the productivity of the programmer will increase automatically, and its efficiency of thinking and writing code will also increase. Almost all type of apps are developed using OOP. These are major benefits of object-oriented programming. Now we will compare procedural programming and object-oriented programming. Procedural programming is a old method of developing softwares. The disadvantage of the procedural programming is we have to go in a sequence and write a function in a sequence to run our program. But in object-oriented programming, we create objects and define their methods separately. When we need a specific method, we can call it independently. So this is major difference between procedural programming and object oriented programming. Today video will end at this topic. In next video we will discuss what is Java and why we use Java for object oriented programming in this course. If you like this video, do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.